us like a couple hours ago, but it looks really nice outside. So we're gonna go get some breakfast and then maybe investigate some waterfalls on the property, and then we get a massage and we're gonna go to the hot springs. Yeah. Join us.
Alright, lead us to breakfast. I think this is the Mont right here, this painting.
Oh yeah.
We want to look for that bird. It is a buffet, so you can try a little bit of everything. I got a coffee, which is pretty good. Some juice. First Mariposa of Costa Rica. Oh, bye. You can see the top of Rincon de la Vieja a little bit. Our first trail of the day, we're gonna check out the Red Pond, and I guess there's like an archaeological dig on the way to it, so let's check it out.
Work less, ride more.
So we're at one of the archaeological sites on this property. They said it could be as old as 300 to 1100 AD. Indigenous people were here in this area. You can see kind of the red dots on the map where different things are that they've found, like pottery and burial sites and domestic things. So I'm guessing that maybe these are some of it. Maybe that's one of the petroglyphs. That's pretty cool. This guy scared the crap out of us coming around the corner on the trail. We were like not expecting this guy here. Let's see what else we can see. Oh yeah, there was definitely some type of structure here once.
Piece of pottery.
That's cool. That could be like from the year 300. Very cool. Huh? Whoa. It's amazing that that thing is still so intact. It's possible to appreciate mounds of rocks, which are often confused by the people with the landscape. These mounds are actually burial places from the Bagajes period. Luke says this one's a cemetery. He doesn't believe me, but there's totally a skeleton in here. Rest in peace, my friend.
I wonder if that's a fake skeleton.
I mean, I hope so.
It looks fake.
It's just to show us what it would be like.
Real.
Hey, you want to hide a body?
Just throw it off.
Just to call it a display. Hey, how's it going, sister? Manas y metates, am I right? Yeah, it's a lot of hard work here, grinding it up.
That's cool.
Thanks, good luck. It is a bit of a rugged hike, And these rocks are slippery because they're like always perpetually wet. So just keep that in mind when hiking in Costa Rica. That was the turquoise pool. I'm sure it'd be even more turquoise if it were sunnier out, but hey, I'm appreciating these warm but not hot temps for a hiking day.
Made it to the red pond.
We're here. Let's go see.
All right, so the red pond is here, and it's not because the water's red, it's because the rock is red.
The water's actually beautiful crystal blue.
Yeah, it's really clear.
And we just saw one of those iguanas run across the water, but it was so fast I couldn't get it on camera, but it made it look like a compy was attacking me, like Jurassic Park. It was so cool. Fell off the edge. Guess what Luke found? Like won't focus.
It's a sensitive plant.
It closes up when you touch it.
All right, it's waterfall number 1.
That guy just said number 4 is worth it, so I guess we're gonna have to go all the way through.
Catarata means waterfall in Spanish. If you Catarata number 2, numero 2. That's pretty. All right. Catarata número 3. Yeah. All right there is Catarata number 2. That's number 3. Annie's getting in. This is waterfall 3. You can also swim at Oro Pendola waterfall, but man, that thing's busy. And here we have this place to ourselves. Is it cold? Do it. All right, heading to number 4.
What'd you say?
I said heading to number 4.
Yeah.
I call it the Rio Negro, the Black River, because it is quite dark. It's not a very long trail. There is some uneven footing and some uphill and downhill. Yeah, crazy tree.
Really cool.
What is it, Annie?
It's a tourist tree because it's peeling.
Red and peeling.
Look at that! Huge!
It is. Catarata numero 4.
I know! There's this iguana up in this tree and it looks like a freaking alligator. Whoa, butterfly coming right at me. Hi! Hi! This is probably going to be our last waterfall hike of the day. It'll be 3 we've done so far. We did the red ponds and the turquoise pool. We did the Rio Negro waterfalls, or 4 of those, and now we're gonna look at Chorreas falls. I think this is the longest hike of all 3.
Colorful lizard.
So his top, her tail's really brown.
Yeah, it's cool looking.
Hey, cow! Oh, there they go.
All right, trail's not. It's pretty well maintained, but not a whole lot to see on the way, other than cows
And a kind of
and nice
thicker
jungle.
But yeah, there are some uphills and downhills.
Yeah.
So if you're not prepared for that, I'd say don't do this one unless you're doing it with like the tour where you ride the horse or something. You get dropped off by a bus.
Yeah, you pretty much ride your horse down this trail,
Yeah.
and then you hop on a bus to go do the river tubing. We'll
Which
link.
is super fun. Yeah, make
Yeah.
sure you check out that video because
Yeah.
that was totally worth it last time.
Yeah, we'll link that later.
Oh, there's a bathroom.
Bathrooms. It is about 8/10 of a mile, so it's not that bad.
But like I said, it is up and down. So whatever you go down, you're gonna have to go back up.
Yeah. Swim at your own risk. Ooh, it's a double waterfall.
Super pretty.
Very nice. You go down the stairs, get in the water. You can also go this way. Across a little bridge. A little cascade there.
back down at the bar, and we got this delicious strawberry smoothie with real fruit and the best kind of Coke, the Coke in the glass bottle. Yeah. This is chicken quesadilla with various toppings. So be sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow when we get a massage, and check out the Rio Negro hot springs here at Hacienda Guachipelin.